How is the effect after using our software? Today's video. Let me give you a demonstration of the live broadcast effect. You know, we are now in the networked age. This client base is huge. Most people are used for live streaming. Live selling, etc. Supported platforms include Douyin, after video face changing with our face changing software. Operate accounts on major platforms. Because my phone has lower pixels today. So let me show you. I will use our video to replace the camera live broadcast. And our cameras capture us in real time. Capture our faces. And the face in the camera. As long as our camera footage. We are in normal live broadcast. So the video footage I got today, they all make video footage through the mobile terminal. The definition of the video footage on our mobile phone is 1080p. This is our input prototype block. It depends on our software to capture. It's picking up a pixel of our face. If we want this picture to be clear, the higher the pixel value we capture. This is a basic operating principle of our software. The principle of our camera and video is the same. And the video I'm currently using. We randomly found a video to demonstrate. The area between us. There are 4 preview windows in the middle there. Input screen. The second is the preview window recognized by our software. It's ours. The clearer the face the software recognizes, the better the effect of changing the face will be. A recognition window for facial features. We are now going to the model storage folder. Here, select a random model to demonstrate. We find the model. Double-click to replace. A preview window of. When it's bigger, we can come to this area. Make adjustments. Now let's take Kuaishou as an example. We adjust to the vertical screen state. Our output method. And here you see the video. Our video and our canvas. It's natural now. Facial features are very integrated. Suppose we find us when we change faces in real time. Run this side of the face here. These blurry or hazy times. We can come into this region and adjust. Maybe my video. It's very integrated with our model. You may not see the effect. I just wanted to give you a sense of the region. Function. Color. Let it show up on our top floor. After, I'll show you the effect. The model size is almost gone. Now let's put it back the way it was before. Now we are back to where we were before. Sometimes when we live stream our model, when the face is paler or darker, we can come to this hue shift here. Adjust. Our face change effect will be more rosy, more realistic. They might face a problem. That's when we'll leave. When used as a live stream input source. It's definitely not that clear. When encountering this situation, we can pass this super repair to enhance one of our facial clarity. It's what we just had. The approximate resolution is a definition around 720. Then after our super repair, we're up to 1080 resolution now, an even higher effect. Here is our original video screen. Here is the picture after our face change. We are looking for a relatively blurry picture. Let me give you a demo. Now you can obviously see the effect. It's blurry here. It's pretty clear. And the same face model. The clarity is completely different. It looks like it doesn't need super repair now. And then we are going to turn on hyper repair. This function is not clear enough for some cameras. This super repair function is very practical. Let's change the video just now back. If we use the camera for live broadcast, we can pass this beauty function to adjust, like ours. We can perform a test on our face. Shorten. We want to elongate our faces, and here we are. Or chin. We see the effect. To achieve our desired effect. And we can also tweak this region. And now we are going to bring it back to our portrait view. This is a live stream of our Kuaishou. We've been out before. How to conduct a live broadcast tutorial. You can watch it on our account. We can start the live stream. It's already live. Our effect. If I cast the live stream on my phone to my computer, watch it with everyone. It's just a screen on our phone. Zoom out a bit for everyone to see. Here's what you're looking at. It's a live stream on our phone.
就北京的女孩子啊，就是可能她眼光啊干什么的。
This effect is very real, natural and realistic.
没有那么高的彩礼的，就是完全就是看我喜欢她就行。
I'm sure no one will
我喜
know.
欢她，她能就是看自己喜欢。
And I'm going to show you one by one.
就不会说去看一些其他的一些东西。
This is an example of an entertainment live streaming host. I'm going to show you face-changing effect of talent live streaming host. Welcome to our
200
software.
万的话，就相当于一套房了。
Open our
自己一
software.
套房几千个，对呀，人家自己也有经济条件也
Economic
好。
conditions are good. Talent live streaming host. Yes, people's own conditions are also good. Delays are normal. This doesn't affect it.
挡不住思念，渴望着他年他月再相见。到那天，却不再让你走过我身边。沉默的习惯，愿为你改变。
I'm going to give you another model.
心要让你听见，爱要让你看见，不怕承认对你有多眷恋。想你的时候，盼你能收到我的真情留言。心要让你听见，爱要让你看见，问你是否愿分享每一天，把我的遗憾变成
Human face. He is a star in our European and American
爱
countries.
要让你看见，不怕承认对你有多眷恋。想你
This
的
is
时
our
候，
live streaming host.
盼你能收到我的真情留言。心要让你听见，爱要让
Let me show you a live streaming host. This is our live streaming host to open. I can offer any price seriously.
对的。如果这条链子是大家市场上全部都有的珠子，价格比较透明，比较统一化。
He is very real.
这个货市场上才没有。
You can see him.
这个市场货根本没有，定价权在我手上。
对的。
为什么
We can adjust through this place.
我很想问大家一句话：如果你
Let's change to an agent face to see the effect.
你可以动我的链接，你觉得我不可信？
Don't
一
move
点
the
点链接
first
都不要动
link.
可不可以？
对的。
如果可以，打2个字可以。
对的。
如果不可以，请大家不要动我的链接。
对的。
这是全部带大正的极光，有干涉色、铂金灰，12mm的巨无霸。我说了，人家卖产品，我卖的不是产品，我卖的是人品。我卖的这条链子，我说实话，我卖的是什么？这条链子我不但卖的是人品，我告诉你，这条链子我还卖的独合家。
Let me show you one more effect. Welcome the Indian.
咱们去打 PK。
First time playing PK.
在哪儿呀？房子做了新衣服。哎，在哪里？我带了导，
Yes,
带了美
I
瞳
have
的
contact
找
lenses.
不到。那个打 PK 的在哪里？
And that's it for today.
哎，在哪里？我找一找。
I will send you the link in the background. I will give you more tutorials in the future or demo effect video. I just wanted to play PK.